Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how August 2020 will be for Pisces or Meena Rashi. Firstly, the planetary positions, they are like this. Mars is in the first, Mercury, Venus and Rahu in the fourth, Sun in the fifth, retrograde Jupiter and Ketu in the 10th, and retrograde Saturn in the 11th. So the positive planets for you are Venus, Mercury and Saturn. Rest of them will be negative, and after 15th of this month I think Mercury will also turn slightly negative for you. But however, the key planets that you need are in better positions, so your mind may be a little aggressive, but this is going to be a positive month for you. However, most of the planets are in unfavorable positions. This may actually hinder your thought process. But however, with the support of Saturn, Venus and Mercury, which are in benefic places, you will be able to overcome and emerge out positively. There could be some slight health issues, like could be a gastric issue, could be a stomach pain, or there could be fire or vehicular accidents if you don't take proper care. And you need to exercise a lot of care at workplace, because there could be some troubles coming your way if you are careless. Overall, if I say, the positions of Saturn and Venus and Mercury is going to protect you, and this could be a better month for you all. Now let's look at health in total. Now there could be issues like gastric diseases, stomach pain, eye ailments. There could be a disturbed mind, your thought process will waver a lot. Fatigue is indicated. If you are careless, injury due to vehicular accidents also can be seen. So take good care of yourself and use the positivity of the planets for better. In terms of career or business, specifically for working people, you have to be very careful in executing your tasks and responsibilities. If you are careless, then there may be a position where you may get humiliated, and if your dasha antardasha periods are not really supportive, then there is a risk of losing a job. So if you take good care, this situation can be averted. So when you are communicating with your superiors, ensure that the communication is crisp and clear. There could be moments where you may get aggressive, so keep your aggression under check. Okay, so overall, if I see, it could be an average to above average month, provided you stay careful and you keep your aggression in check. For businessmen, especially when you are dealing with government authorities, I think a lot of care needs to be taken. However, your work will progress in a positive and a brisk way. Okay, watch out for your commitments. Put your commitments first, and then ensure that you meet your commitments on time. You have to put in all those efforts to fulfill whatever you commit. A slight misunderstanding or a difference of opinion could be seen among business partners. Now coming to students, if I have to talk about students, it's going to be a favorable month for students. However, you plan well and put in that hard work. That will greatly enhance your results. In terms of wealth, if I have to talk wealth or gains, good gains are indicated. You may earn well due to your quick decisions. Okay. However, speculation and gambling is a no for this month. You may end up losing big time. Okay. Keep your expenditure under check, and it is seen that you may spend something on buying a luxury item, or you could spend your money for some good causes. That's a good sign. In terms of family, if I have to take, you will feel slight discomfort because of your own mind, which may fluctuate or may become aggressive. Try to be calm and careful. Situation will improve. Your spouse's health may need a little attention, so take care of that. If there are any chronic issues with the elders at home, pay more attention to it. Okay, children may also fall sick, but these are all like matters which you can control. Keep your speech, keep your aggressive thoughts under check, so you will be able to peacefully pass through this period. Now coming to the remedies, there are certain remedies which you can perform to ensure that you get more positive results. On a Thursday, visit a guru's temple. Okay, this will enhance your knowledge and intellect. Praying to goddess Durga will help you to bring in that prosperity which you are looking at. Recite or listen to Kala Bhairavastakam every day. That will help you to get that courage back, and it will also ward off any ill effects, okay, of the planetary positions. If you can recite or listen to Durga Suktam every evening. This will also enhance your prosperity, peace, and will bring in that clarity of thought. So please perform these remedies and see that you get that momentum going, because what we are seeing is better times are still ahead for you. This is just the beginning. So stay focused, stay calm, don't get aggressive. Okay, and I wish you all the best for this month. Namaskar.